Shelby time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one, 2007 Shelby GT Mustang, number 1510 on the Shelby build registry. Clean Carfax, no accidents, always been in our area. Just slightly over 32,000 miles on it. Well taken care of, very original car. I have not noticed any modifications to this one. As you can see, black with the silver stripe. 4.6 liter underneath the hood. So V8 powered 5-speed manual transmission paired up with that. Now this particular one is going to have your Shelby packages that would have been done in Las Vegas at Shelby America. Of course, the power upgrade, which would be the 90mm cold air intake, performance mufflers, ProCal calibration installed, get a little more horsepower out of this car. Racing and handling package, which of course is your front and rear dampeners, lowering springs, front and rear sway bar, strut tower brace. Also has the appearance package, which is going to be the silver stripe that you see, the Shelby GT logos, insignias on it, the dash plaque, the billet grille that you noticed up front here. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this car, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the 18-inch premium wheels, which would be in that appearance package. Of course, the dark charcoal leather interior, bucket seats, center console, that 5-speed manual transmission with a Hurst shifter in it. Now, as you look up and down this car, you can see free of nicks, dings, scratches. You may find a few just very minor little touch-up chips on it. Previous owner wanted to keep the car looking good, which is always a good sign. Tell that it's been well taken care of. And this car will include a little dust brush, Pure Shine by Auto Spa, sun blocker for the windshield, car cover. Those miscellaneous things will be in the trunk. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the reflection and shine off of that car. Black paint shows very well on this car. And once again, check out the underside. See how clean the underside of this car is. The engine bay, trunk. uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're watching on YouTube, that's going to take you right there. And yes, this one does look as good in person as it does in the pictures. Once again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. This car has always been within our area. Door panels, inserts, good shape. Power seat, of course, on the driver's side. It does have your Shelby floor mats, and you can also see seats are wearing as you'd expect with a car with 30,000 miles on it. Not showing much wear in the bolster, lower seating area. Of course, all the amenities that you're going to get on a Ford Mustang GT with the power steering, power brakes, AC, cruise control, tilt steering, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. This one does have the Shaker 1000 stereo system to it. Headliner intact, all in good shape. No surprises on this one. All right, let's check out the exact miles. Fire it up so you can hear it run. Check out that engine bay. $32,044. You'll also notice no check engine lights, no service engine lights, anything like that. That is just the seatbelt indicator down there. And nearly a full tank of gas. There's your plaque with the build number, 1510, as you can see. So 07 Shelby GT 1510. Shaker 1000 stereo system. Working well, good shape. Check out the dash. No cracks, fading, discoloring, anything like that. AC functioning. I can vouch for it blowing cold, and very cold at that. We're going to turn it back off. All right. Of course, don't confuse the Shelby GT with the GT500. This car was actually modified at Shelby in Vegas. There is a copy of the window sticker from Ford and Shelby, and with the still pictures. GT500s, of course, used Shelby's name and was produced at Ford. As you can see, sounds good, looks good. And now let's pop these hood pins. Open that hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, check out that hood liner. You can tell this thing has not been driven any sort of inclement weather. Wow, extremely clean. Take a look at this engine bay. 4.6 liter. Of course, that tune in it, Ford Racing, cold air intake, 90 millimeter. Intake on it. All this paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Don't see anything that has been modified underneath here. Strut tower brace. All of it looks as it should. And again, over 100 pictures of this car online. You can see it from every angle, top to bottom, engine bay, trunk, interior. Undersides, definitely take a look at the undersides. Very clean car. This one will not disappoint. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.